Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make eSport logo reveal intro video on Android, like this. Okay, let's start. First open pixellab. Choose this triple sign, choose image size, choose preset, and choose YouTube thumbnail. And then choose background, and choose transparent. And then, choose this plus sign, choose from gallery, and enter the logo template. Adjust the size. And then choose shape. Choose relative position. Then choose this, and choose this to set the position. And then choose text. Edit text. And type what you want. And then choose font. My font. And select this font. And then scroll up, and choose to front. Adjust the size and position. And then choose perspective. Enable. And set the text like this. Adjust the size and position again. Then save it, save as image, save to gallery. Next step, open KineMaster. Open an empty project, choose 16.9. And then choose media, and enter the video background. Check first. OK, and then slide to the 2.5 second. And choose layer, and enter the logo that we have made before. Adjust the size. And then choose in animation. Choose fade, and for the time make it on 0.1. And then slide to 6.5. Choose scissor icon. And trim to right. Let's check. OK, good, and then choose the video. Choose this triple sign, and choose duplicate as layer. Choose this box, and choose this to fit the size. And then choose blending. And choose screen. Okay, let's check. Okay, good. And then choose the logo. And slide to the beginning of the logo. Choose the key icon. And choose the plus sign. And then slide to the end of the logo. And choose the plus sign again. And then enlarge the logo. Like this. And then slide to row 4.9. And then choose Layer. Choose Effect. And choose Anaglyph Slide. And make it shorter, like this. And then choose Setting. For speed, make it on 60. Distance 6. And angle 0. And then slide to the beginning of video. Choose Layer, and enter the fire particle. Choose this box, and choose this to fit the size. And then choose Blending. And choose Screen. Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. And then export. Okay, thanks for watching. Click like if you enjoy my video. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, to make sure you are not missing my newest video. See you. Hasta la vista.